My first razor. I'm gonna go ahead and take Andrew's package to UPS department. But first I need to gear up. Safety is very important to me, so we gotta make sure we got some good razor riding shoes. Now we're safe. Oh, my ears. Oh. So my last video just finished. I don't like taking my super private phone. So when I adventure and when I record, I take this other Note 8. Now this Note 8, come on, Weddy, let's go back in the shop. Weddy, get in the house, Mama Bear. Come on. Love you. I'll be right back. Get in the house, Super Goober. She's 19, okay? She can do whatever she wants. I don't care. She's an ex-medical dog who I picked up right after my ex-mother-in-law said she no longer had a need for this dog. I didn't even close my shop. I just told my staff I'm leaving, I'll be back. And I went and picked her up. A couple years later, me and my wife aren't working out, so we divorced. She stayed. I'm like, all right, cool. Ex-wife comes to pick up her stuff 6-8 months, a year later. I don't know. Dogs are flipping out, man. They want nothing to do with my ex-wife. All right, I'm gonna keep her. That was in 2013, 9 years ago. 9 years ago, she made that choice and fought for me. She can do anything she wants. She doesn't ever upset me. She never does anything wrong. The only time she has a problem is when there's no other option, and it's obvious. So she can do anything she wants. I don't care. She can sleep in the garage, the living room. She can sleep all day. She can eat as much as she wants because she restricts herself. She's one of the best dogs I've ever had in my life. But she's stubborn, so I have to be like, can you please get the heck in the house now? Anyways, now I got my big floaty phone. Note 8, I've dropped it a few times. It's got a giant orange case on it. Maybe I'll take a picture and show you guys. Let me do this real quick. Alright, here it is. Here it is. Look at the size of this bad boy. Yeah, it was I did that. I don't see them printing them anymore now that he's dropping our gas prices. But this thing is supposed to float, okay? And it floats really well. I know this because I've only dropped it in the water one time. However, I have dropped this stupid thing while riding my bikes, all these razors, 35, 40 miles an hour, at least 6 or 7 times. And it's not so bad. If you look at the quality of the phone, it's gotten its butt handed to it, but that's about it. I'll super glue that. Anyways, so we're going to go ahead and take this bike. Now that this phone's done uploading my latest video about how Senator Manchin killed Biden's Build Back Better bill, the Honda XR70 XR fork and install, and some other stuff. Please, I'd be honored if you watched it. Sometimes I babble like I'm doing right now, but better than half the crap I hear on YouTube. I'm sort of kind of like the protector of trees. What kind of shit is that? I can't believe I heard that. There's too much garage. I want a little less garage showing. Right, get Andrew's forks and let's go. I haven't mounted a speed switch to this, so definitely does the boogie. Made it look like new. I did a little video about how to mount a Honda rsf650 fender to the rear. That was pretty cool. You know, modded the motor, of course, like I said, running 25H chain, modded controller on a 13 tooth, and it is torquey. Tooth, and this is a 45 mile an hour zone, so I'm probably only maxing out at like 37 or so, but that's okay. I can climb ditches with it pretty well. People are snoozing. I'm going to take advantage of that. Something going on. Ran out of time on that last one, but we stopped at the bridge real quick. I was moving. But I'm happy. It's always good to take a moment, right? This is my backyard, by the way. I don't know if I've told anybody this, but literally just moments away from my house. And absolutely just grateful every day. The rain, when it shines, when I don't even get up. I'm so grateful to be here, to be alive, with all my aches and pains, relationship woes, family problems, business issues, and dreams. I'm so grateful that I get to call this place my backyard. I've wanted this since I was probably, 9 years old? How old was I, Mom? Either way, like I said, I'm super grateful. So let's head home.
Did I mention that? But that's not as catchy as having it. That always goes, off by the wayside.
Yeah, we're back. Dun, 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 dun. Andrew, it is no longer my responsibility. The fork is fine. You know this, I know this. Everyone knows the fork is fine. It has been well packaged and it is out of my arms. Go out there today, have a good time, alright? Get one step closer to your dream, okay? Seriously, just try just a little bit harder than you usually try today, okay? Beautiful. How do you turn this thing off with gloves? Use your nose. P.S. There's the speed switch right there. Guess I don't need it, huh? Started with 53 volts. We were gone for about 20 minutes. It's not so bad. I beat the hell out of one of those. Later. Ever since Sassy made her kills yesterday, she keeps coming back over here to eat more fish. She's not a real dog.
I don't like it. I don't like it.